Hello, good morning. We have just had a training last weekend, and this training was an SCS training, Neuro Change Solutions, that we organized in the middle of Highland in Grouse Lodge. This training is delivered by Daksha Patel, and she happens to be one of Dr. Joe Dispenza's top trainers. You can see her in the picture wearing purple. This training, who is it designed for? For anyone. It could be for any person who wants to bring their life to the next level and is in the corporate world, or if you're not in the corporate world as well, this is for you if you want to bring your life to the next level. If you are in your journey and maybe you haven't seen results before, this is a great way of seeing things that you can implement from day one. Easy tools, simple tools, not that easy maybe, but with the community you can get there. It's also good as a training for Dr. Joe students because it's a different perspective. Also for those advanced students who would like to become NCS trainers themselves. I'm going to show you now what Mary T has to say about this training. Let me just share, and there we go.
So what has this weekend meant for me? A lot. A short weekend, Friday evening, all day Saturday, and a little bit of time this morning. And already I feel different. Already I found it really, really empowering. And I think a lot of what that was first and foremost the psychological safety and the energy that was created among the group of people. Everybody was invited, encouraged to be themselves completely. There was no airs or graces or pretense or masks. There was lots of fun, lots of humor, lots of authenticity. It was just powerful from that perspective, initially, before we started anything. Then in relation to the work, in relation to what the course involved, it was 8 hours altogether. I think 2 hours on Friday evening and 6 hours yesterday, and then again a top up this morning. And it was infused with different meditations as we went along. But it was really powerful, and I felt an amazing shift. And even going away with a really strong commitment about what I'm doing in the future in terms of rising early to do these meditations, etc. Because already I can again feel the power of them. So it was very much focused around giving us tools to be able to change our state of being and be able to change particularly any type of negative thinking or anything like that that's not serving us well. And really practical tools that are simple in one way, but yet you need to practice them. Nothing is going to change without actually practicing. But the tools are straightforward and easy. What needs to be done is that we need to commit to doing them. It was practical. It was there was lots and lots of discussion, lots and lots of perspective, and just easy to follow. And it made perfect sense. And the big question that comes to my mind is, why don't we learn this stuff in school? Or why aren't children taught this stuff? It would make life so much easier for everybody. But isn't it wonderful at this stage to be introduced to it and to be consumed or brought into this with everybody? It's just amazing. So yeah, I would highly recommend it. I expect I'll be back again because I do believe that every time you come back, you're going to learn more. It's just going to reinforce what you've already learned. It was one of the best weekends I've had in a long, long time. There was nothing about it I would change. So I think I'll be here again.
Thank you very much.